Yes, I'm giving away $100 to one of you guys. And you know what? It will be much easier this time around to win this $100. You basically almost don't need to do nothing to be a part of this competition. I will explain a little later in the video what you need to do, but there will be no deposit needed this time around. Just you don't need no money to be a part of this competition. So stay tuned, I will come back to it. Before I get to that, now I'll explain a little what I'm doing here on the channel for new people. I trade live on this broker here every single day. You can join me, make money together with me. I built this account from $100. That's why I give away $100 so I can give one of you the opportunity to do what I have done here. So you can join my live sessions and you can trade together with me. Also, I trade at another broker, this broker here. The money, the $100, you will get for this broker, okay? Basically I will just deposit the money directly into your account. Also, I trade on this broker here, Pocket Option. You can also trade together with me live here. You find below every video you have, you find links like this. So you can see here, live trading. This is if you want to trade together with me. You join with this link here. That is for Alpha 1 signals. That is my signals. And also I give signals at Reddit. I give signals at Telegram. But of course, it's better if you join in my live session. But if you just want in one of this, Reddit I will say is the best. Number 2 then is Telegram if you just want to receive signals. But of course, to trade together with me is the best thing, because then I explain why I take the trades and all this good stuff. And if you just are into Forex, I do give live signals for Forex while I'm trading also. But if you are just into signals for Forex, this is for Telegram. It's very good also. I did even pass a prop challenge following these signals, so it's very good. Other thing, I love coffee. For the ones that follow me in my live sessions, I drink a lot of coffee, so if you feel I'm doing a good job, here you can buy me a coffee basically. So stay tuned, buy me a coffee. Also, the link I will put in top of this video will be the one you see here. And that one for the video I'll put in the top. So when you see below the video now, this link will come first, because you need to do something here. I'll come to that a little later. Other things, for if you follow my live signals, this is basically the brokers I'm using. This for Forex, this for IQSense, and this is for Pocket Option. I trade live here and I trade live here, and I trade live Forex. Okay. Other than that, we have some robots also. If you're into robots, we have a worldwide binary option robot. This one is trading on IQSense. It's very good. You have many robots to choose from here, so it's pretty good. Also, we have a robot for Pocket Option. Then you go to here. And of course, we also have a robot for Forex. All this is the robots that I would say is good robots that you can use. Other than that, for the one that follow me, I do CryptoTab. I did much videos about that in the past. It's still a very good thing, both for cell phone and for you can buy a lot of cloud mining things there now. It's super good. You can make a lot of money there, and it's profitable actually. So that is the first two links here. And here you see we have a way, you basically what you're buying here, you buy more like an image, but it's an image that is mining for you. A strange thing, but it's working actually. It's pretty cool. So if you are like me, living in a country where it's not that easy to get mining equipment, or it costs way too much, all this tree here is a good way to get started of mining there, where you don't need to have all this loud thing running around you. And then of course you can follow me on Twitter, Discord, Rumble, Odyssey, and of course YouTube. You are there now probably, or you see this video other place. If you see it in other place, I'm in YouTube also. And of course Reddit and Telegram. Let's see up here that I give the signals. So what you came for, you want to be a part of this competition, right? So the only thing you need to do is register with the first link that you find below the video for IQSense. Basically will be this link I did show you here. Let me see, this one here, that will be in the top on this video. Register there, just register. write a comment below the video, and then comment that you did register and tell me why you should win, why I should give you the $100 to get started. Because you register and then I will put the money in your account basically after. I will choose a winner in 14 days. Not completely 14 days. I will choose the winner 24 of May. 24 of May I will choose a winner for this competition. After that, if I see that there's a huge success, many people try to join and things, I will probably do one competition like this every single week. Maybe I even go up in how much money I give away. But all registered, and for the one that don't win, does not mean that you don't need to join. Make a deposit also. Even if you make a deposit, you're still part of the competition, okay? Make a deposit, whatever, and you can trade together with me because I do make a lot of money when I'm trading. Like I said, I started with $100 and you see now it's almost 90,000, and this is done in 2 years. All is traded live. So, and you can do that here, or you can join me in Pocket Option. If you want to join me in Pocket Option, you have the same option. I built up this one also. So if you want to trade with there, you have the same opportunity. Both these two, if you want to trade together with me, like I said, you just fill out this form here, this one here, that with the spaceship and everything. Just sign up with that one and you can trade together with me. You find all the information you need to trade with me here or here. But for the competition, like I said, you just fill out this one here. And if you deposit money, you can just fill out this one after. It's basically just a form that you fill out because you need to deposit for one of these brokers. But if you have deposit here, then you can just fill out this one after, and you can trade together with me if you deposit. Or if you win this competition, you can just fill out this form after, and you can trade. It costs nothing to trade together with me, basically. So that's it. I think going forward for this competition, I will choose a comment for any of the videos. I will make a special. I will write win $100 on each video till this Friday 24, and I will choose one of these videos. So if you have made a comment, just make a copy paste if you want to do that. If you're lazy, just make a copy paste on my other videos. Like the video, of course, help me out. More people that join me in these type of things, more money I will start to give away, more often I will give away. So make sure you help me out. Put a like, make a comment, and you does not mean that for other videos that you can't make a comment and like. Just do that also. You help me out. More you help me out, more I will give back. And you can even end up winning more than one time with me with competition just like this. So this is don't need to be a one-time thing. I'm also thinking about making competitions where I help out people that have lost money, so I can put back some money in their account. Things like this. All this is things I'm planning to do going forward. So just help me out and I will help you out also. So with that, have an amazing day.